quench, and illuminate with pineapple ceramides. I don't know what they are. Hey Summer Hens, welcome back. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I am Naomi. This is Summer Hen Beauty, where we talk all things beauty for people who are not spring chickens anymore, but they still want to look gorgeous. This is the next installment in our Drunk Elephant skincare series. We've had a few of them so far. I will link to them somewhere up there, or possibly up there, and definitely down there. We're even starting a playlist because, oh my goodness, exciting things are happening. But today we are talking about the next step. B Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel, Quench, and Illuminate with Pineapple Ceramides. I don't know what they are. I've looked. I can't figure it out. Anyway, this is an additional shot of moisture that you can wear on its own if you don't need a lot of moisture, or you can wear it in your moisturizer. Remember how we talked about I took my moisturizer and I added stuff to it? And in the last week's installment, I showed you how I added glycolic acid at night. Vitamin B I add in the mornings. Vitamin B is known to complement and sort of reinforce vitamin C and vice versa. So that means that if you put this on while you're putting on vitamin C, both of them will have a stronger effect. So what I do, just like last week when I'm using this, is I take my Protini Polypeptide and I add a couple of squirts of the vitamin B and a couple of squirts of the vitamin C, slap it on my face. Now, little thing you want to know. This stuff makes you shiny. They are serums. They make you shiny. They don't stay that way. They don't make you oily. But that huge shot of vitamins is going to make you shiny. So I like to put it on a decent amount of time before I put on makeup and stuff, because otherwise I have to kind of fight with it a bit. So that's just something to be aware of. So that's what I do in the mornings. We'll talk more about the vitamin C component next week. Vitamin C has a lot more star power. Yeah, vitamin C is definitely the cooler sister. But vitamin B helps to reinforce it and gives you an extra shot of hydration if you are not getting enough hydration out of your moisturizer. Like we said, when I was talking about the Protini Polypeptide, this is not their heavy moisturizer. Their heavy moisturizer is Lala Retro. I like this because the protein gives me collagen, and collagen is awesome and makes the unicorns happy. So what I do is I add my moisture with vitamin B in the mornings, and later on in the series, we'll talk about their virgin marula oil, which I add at night. So if you have dry skin and you want a little bit of a shot of A, hydration, but B, illumination, it really does add a bit of a glow, then this might be something you want to consider. Summer Hens, what's next? Later on this week, we've got another Thrifty Thursday coming up. We've got another Should I Buy It coming up. We're going to talk to you about how to make sure your makeup doesn't melt off in the summer because it is coming up on that time of year. And next week, we will move on with our Drunk Elephant skincare series. If you have not yet joined our little coop, we would be so happy to have you. Make sure to click subscribe if you like this video, and click on the little bell when it shows up, and then you'll be notified as soon as my videos come out and you can hang out with us in real time. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for hanging out with me. Mwah! I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow.